Hi guys, it's Taylor and Ollie. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. Today, I am going to be talking about these. The Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo and Conditioner for Dry or Damaged Hair. Before I get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and go check out my Instagram if you want to see more hair posts. Video suggestions are always welcome as well, so leave them below. Okay, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. If you see me looking down, or I don't know, you may be able to see my phone. Honestly, I'm still trying to learn this whole camera thing. But yeah, I have my notes on my phone, so that's what I'm looking at. I'm going to be talking about the pros, the cons, and then I'm going to let you know if I would repurchase these items. You can see that it is pretty much almost gone, or I don't know if you can see, but this is the conditioner. It's like down to there, so it's pretty much gone. I might get 1/2 of a use out of it. There's a little bit more of the shampoo left, somewhere around there. But that's just because I use more conditioner than I use shampoo. This is just what the bottle looks like. So firstly, I'm going to talk about the cons that I experienced while using these products. So with it being sulfate-free shampoo, it doesn't lather as well as something that would have sulfates in it, but that's to be expected because sulfates are basically what give you that foaming, lathery effect. So it doesn't lather super well, but also at the same time I have used other sulfate free shampoos and this one is not too bad. Like, you'll definitely have to put some in one spot and some like at the back. Like, you probably can't just do it all in one go, but it's not bad at all. It's not like it's just all stuck in one little area, which has happened with some sulfate free shampoo because they just don't want to move. Like, they're just in that area. So yeah, it's not the worst. Even for a con, it's not the worst, but of course that is one of the things to be expected with sulfate-free shampoos. Another con is the bottles are very small, so they don't last a super long time, and I don't think they come in a bigger size than this. So yeah, they are very small, especially for if you have long hair like me or longer hair, then these probably aren't going to last you but a few weeks. But they are really cute though. And then going along with that, with them being so small, they are a bit pricier than some other drugstore brands. Like, I know you can get Suave for like $2 or $3 a bottle. These are like, depending on where you live, like $6-7 per each one of these bottles. So that is quite a bit for, let's see, for just 13 ounces. So it really just depends on if you're willing to spend a little bit more to try more natural products. So those were honestly my only cons with these shampoos. So now I'm going to go ahead and get into the pros. So definitely my first thoughts when I opened these up were that it smells amazing. It's kind of hard to describe, but it's like almost like a tropical island. It has like a sweet sort of coconutty smell, but it's not like super overpowering. It smells very fresh, and the smell stays on your hair for a long time. Like, I washed my hair yesterday afternoon and it is now the next morning, and it, like, I can definitely still smell it very strong in my hair, and it will probably last the rest of the day at least. Of course, one of the pros, I'm assuming this is a pro to you if you're wanting to try these, but is that they are silicone and sulfate free products. On the bottle, it actually says that they are vegan. They have pure coconut water in them and pure aloe. So that's really nice when you can actually get pure ingredients in something, because so many shampoos are just full of like mixtures of things. Like it might be like a mixture of oils with, you know, like sulfates or something, whereas these just have pure natural ingredients in them. And another pro is that the conditioner is fairly thick for a natural conditioner. Like, there are other silicone free conditioners that I've used and they're almost like water. Like, you pour them on your hand and they just like slide off your hand. You put them in your hair and it almost just falls out, literally like you're putting the thinnest staying on your hair, like water basically. It just falls right out. But this one is actually pretty thick and it definitely stays in your hair, and it really does help to detangle it. They definitely left my hair soft and smooth. There have been other full sulfate and silicone shampoos that I've used, and for some reason it just makes my hair frizzy. I don't know if it's because back then my hair was just getting used to silicone and sulfate free, because mostly I was using sulfates and all of that. So back then when I did all of a sudden use a sulfate or silicone free shampoo, it might have been kind of a shock. But yeah, I've definitely noticed with these, it does not leave my hair like horribly frizzy or dry feeling or anything like that. And lastly, they definitely kept my hair clean for the maximum amount of time. And that is a big thing for me, because I personally like to wash my hair every 3rd or 4th day. I just think it's the best thing for my hair type. Every day would dry it out really badly, and then if I go longer than that, I start to get very, very dry skin and it itches really bad. So 3 to 4 days is my sweet spot for washing my hair. And a lot of times sulfate shampoos do tend to wash better and keep the hair cleaner for longer, just because there are sulfates in it with surfactants, which is like basically the same thing as when you wash your dishes. It gets all of the dirt and all of the oils off of the dishes, but if you're using something more natural, it's going to clean it, but it just doesn't stay clean for as long. But yeah, these ones they keep my hair clean for as long as I need them to get to my next wash, which was really surprising to me, honestly, because that was one of the things where I really was hesitant to start using more natural products, because like I said, a lot of other ones, my hair will get dirty literally on like day 2 or sooner than that. It'll start to get oily at the top, and I cannot stand that. I don't want to wash my hair and have all that shedding happen when I'm in the shower just to have to wash it again a few days later. It just wasn't worth it to me to use more natural products, because I was losing so much hair having to wash it so often. So that concludes my review on the Maui Moisture Shea Butter line. I will definitely be doing more product reviews in the future. My next one will probably be the Avalon Organics shampoo and conditioner that I'm using, which I mentioned in my last video. You can go and check it out if you want to. It is my results from doing the curly girl method for 30 days, and you're probably wondering why the heck my hair is not curly right now, and that's just because last night I just was really wanting to get my hair dried quickly. I didn't want to go to bed with wet hair, so I used a blow dryer. So yeah, it's much more straight than usual, but if you watch my video, you'll see that it's kind of a modified curly girl method, and that is why my hair may not be curly 100% of the time. So thank you so much for watching. Again, if you liked it, comment, subscribe, check out my Instagram, and go and check out my other videos. If you're interested in seeing my hair growth journey, I will link them below, and I will have them, at least my latest one, up in the cards. So I will see you for my next video. Bye guys!